everyone, welcome to Nan Kitchen. Today my recipe is Malai Paneer. So let's see the ingredients and let's get started. First of all, I will add the 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the cooking oil is ready, now I will add the cubed paneer. You have to fry it until becoming the light brown. Once our paneer color is changing to the brown, and now it's time to take out and we will keep it aside. I will just close the flame and I will keep it aside. Now time to fry the capsicum. The capsicum, then also we will fry it for 2 to 3 minutes and we will keep it aside. Okay, after 3 minutes, then I will just take out the capsicum and I will keep it aside. Now I will add the butter. This is the 1 cube of butter. Once the butter is melted, I will fry the onion. Then you can start adding the onion. So you will just fry it. You will just fry the onion like 3 minutes. Now after 3 minutes of adding of onion, I will add the 3 pieces of green chili, and this is the ginger garlic paste. So I will add. Just fry it together like 2 minutes. Okay, now it's time to add the tomato. This is cubed tomato. I will just add it, and I will add small amount of water. Just like 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, and just cover for a while and cook until the tomatoes are becoming soft. Once the tomato are becoming like this soft, so that's enough, and just I will turn off the flame and I will keep it aside, and later on I will blend it. Now in the same cooking pot, I will add some of the dry spices, green cardamom, cloves, cumin seeds, and cinnamon stick. So I will add those. And you will just keep the low heat only. Just fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now time to add the spices: red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, and garam masala. Just all I will add it together. Just stir it for like half minute, then I will add the water. Just add half cup of water. Just add it. Now our masala is ready. This is the onion and the tomato paste. So just add it and you will just stir it and mix it together. Just mix it well. Mix it nicely. Mix it nicely. Then I will add the fresh cream. This is the fresh cream. So I will just add it. Just mix it with our gravy. Mix nicely. And then I will add the fried capsicum. This is the one we fried earlier and we keep it aside. Just add the fresh capsicum. And now is the time to add our Malai Paneer. This is our fried Malai Paneer. Just add it. Just mix it with our masala gravy. And we will just cover it for 3 to 4 minutes. For like 3-4 minutes. And the heat, you can keep it as a low flame only. Okay, so now it's already 4 minutes. This water is a little bit dry now. I will add a pinch of methi. And just stir it. Just mix it together. The smell is so good. So nice. Coriander leaves. Coriander leaves. So that's it. Now our Malai Paneer is ready to serve. So I will turn off the flame. Okay, now our Malai Paneer is already dished out and ready to serve. Today I will pair with the plain roti. So try it at home, guys. If you like it, write it in the comment below. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.